Ever had that moment where you've got the bolt lined up, socket ready to go, and plink, there it goes, straight into the engine bay's black hole of despair? We've all done the awkward dance, one hand holding the socket, the other trying to keep the bolt from running away. What if your sockets could do the holding for you? Dropped fasteners don't just cost time, they kill momentum. Especially when you're upside down under a dash, or threading a nut onto a stud with one hand while balancing a ratchet in the other. Traditional sockets, they're basically slip and slides for hardware. That's where Olsa's magnetic socket insert sets come in. Drop one into your socket, and suddenly, nuts and bolts stay put, even at weird angles, even one-handed. The center hole design means you can spin nuts right over studs without removing the insert. Something older designs just can't handle. They're available in complete sets for 1/4 inch drive, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive sockets, covering both metric and SAE, with no skip sizes. So whether you're working with a 5mm, a 19mm, or a 32mm, there's an insert that's got your back. And installation? Simple. Cut, drop it in, magnet out, and you're ready to wrench. So, next time a fastener tries to make a break for it, stop chasing and start magnetizing. Because the right insert doesn't just save you time, it saves your sanity. This is Grease and Gears, where smarter tools make lighter work, keep it cool and greasy.